Hey, how's it going? This is your Daily Sweet Talk for March 7th, 2023. Hours late today, but whatever. Venus Flytraps. That's the name of a Marina song. That's, that's pretty cool. Marina and the Diamonds, but that's not what they're called anymore. Venus Flytraps are weird. So I was talking about mushrooms the other day, and it's like mushrooms are kind of like weirdly alive, right? But they're not, because they're not plants, they're not animals, right? Or fungus. And I don't know what I'm talking about. But Venus flytraps are just plants. And so I guess the fact that they close, in case you didn't know what a Venus flytrap was, it's a plant that's shaped like a mouth. Why is it shaped like a mouth? It's just supposed to be shaped like a plant, right? And then like there are those Venus flytraps that aren't like the ones that they're like more like tube shaped. That makes more sense because like yeah, sure, maybe a fly or whatever is gonna go in there to get the nectar. That's more of a bee thing, but whatever. And they get closed in, they get stuck, and then the nutrients go to the plant. That makes sense as a system. That makes I can. The ones that are like little sock puppets. That's weird because it's like they literally move. They literally like open and close in a way that like and some plants do that anyway. Some plants like maybe if you point sun directly on the plants move all the time. It's just very slowly, and it's usually, I mean, if I'm growing, am I moving? Plants grow. I guess growing is a form of movement, right? It's weird, but that's what plants do. And Venus flytraps just do a more fast version of that, or a more, it's noticeable. The speed of it is noticeable to the human eye. Bugs are quick. Wait, they must move like really quickly because bugs are quick, so they must like snap down. That's like the movement of a creature. These are creatures, like, but they're plants. What the hell are they? Like, how does that work? And that's why whenever they're in media, like Little Shop of Horrors or whatever, it's just like it's just a plant that's alive. And they're not even shaped like that. They're not even shaped like with I mean, obviously not with the lips, but like they're not shaped like they're flat. Maybe there are ones that are shaped more like that. I don't know. But lots of the like cartoon interpretations of it are like more ball shaped, like that instead of that. Which is this? They're more like that. The ones I've seen. The ones I see. I've seen Venus flytraps in person. I feel like I remember them looking more like, or like. It's like, well, why doesn't the fly go away? Because it's just a plant. They're not worried. They don't see like a hand coming by. So they don't fly away. It's weird. How? I know plants are alive and already whatever, but like, no, they're not. Not like that. Not like a Venus flytrap is. Not really. Not usually, right? This is an anomaly to me, at least. Um. So it's weird. It's weird to me. The fact that they eat flies is not really the weird thing because it's a form of nutrients, whatever. Because the one that is shaped like more like a cup, that makes sense to me because the fly gets trapped and then it absorbs the nutrients. It's just a system that is designed because plants are systems. Plants, they don't have thought. Like a Venus flytrap doesn't seem any less like a creature to me than like an ant, and an ant is not a plant, even though the word is very similar. Ants are just like robotic, and that's how Venus flytraps are. How are they not just creatures?